Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to find any song in seconds with Shazam website. So, have you ever heard a song playing on your computer in a video while browsing the web and wanted to know about what is it? So, I will show you how to find this music. Open your Chrome browser, select your profile, then type Shazam, shazam.com to open this website, or you can directly search on Google. Now, after opening the website, uh, you have you will see a big link to Shazam button. This works just like an app. Go to this option and select it. Now it will ask you for the option for permissions. Just uh, go go to the second option. Allow this time. Now for finding the song, you have to play the song uh, near your laptop or Facebook mic, so it will capture the music and identify the music. Now let's say you are watching a YouTube video or playing music under the tab and want to identify a song. Uh, so just go to YouTube and play any song. As I don't uh, want to open the song, and it will give me a, copyright strike, so I will don't open any official music. So for using this feature, just go to this option, allow this time, and in just few seconds, Shazam will show you the song name, artist, and where it listen to it. Now, okay, that's it. Now you know how to find any song in second using the Shazam website. No app required. So I hope this video will help you to finding the song you needed. And kindly subscribe my channel and like the video if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.